Good evening, it's Brian Paragamian, Senior Trader and Co-Founder of ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com, bringing you the update for Tuesday, March 10th, the final evening update. We're not going to be able to bring to you our members webcast here tonight on our Technical Ideas page, but I do want to say it doesn't surprise us, and it shouldn't surprise you, of a big stock market rally. The uptick market, is going to be changed here. The mark-to-market might be eliminated. Who knows? Citibank had some good earnings or some reports of some positive earnings that they're seeing here in the first couple of months of the year, and it doesn't surprise us, and it shouldn't surprise you. We had the McClellan Oscillator telling us that we are ready to have a big rally. We had the Dow Jones Industrial Average to turn on to a buy signal, yet still way oversold here. We think we're going to work higher, 71, 71.50 first objective, 740 on the S&P futures. Right now we're trading 717.25 in the aftermarket. We've got gold trading at 898. We talked about gold. You can go back and look at our videos going back, a month. We talked about gold breaking down. It finally closed below its 50-day moving average around the 903 area. I'm pleased by that. We actually took here at ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com, we actually took profits on our GLD short. We closed it out roughly at the same price as it closed at. We were short from 93.25, closed it out at 88.25. We took a 5-point profit. It closed, I believe, at 88.14. We took profits on our MO trade, Ultra Group. We were long from 14.60 or 15.60. I take it back. We closed it out at 16.60. We took $1 profit there. Remember on one of my updates here, I think it was an early morning update or a mid-morning update, I talked about a couple of things that I think are real important here. I talked about oil, that oil was not acting great. It was overbought. It kind of met our objective, got up towards that 50 area. It had not made a higher high from yesterday, 48.80 the high yesterday, 48.30 the high today. It looked like it was wallowing. We were long the USO. We got out of that, took a $1.75 profit. At that time, oil was up 40, 50, 60 cents. I can't remember, but look at what oil did. It closed down at $1.47 right now. It's trading at 45.60 again. We identified that as being overbought on the stochastics. Looked like it was ready to roll over. It certainly did. Also on our mid-morning update, I believe it was, and that's what it was, we mentioned SQNM, Sequenom, SQNM, Sam, Queen, Nancy, Mary. The stock rallied over $1 since we talked about it. It was in the 1330s, I think. It closed at 1444. Take a look at the chart. It broke a small short-term downtrend here, broke another downtrend going back to January. We talked about it breaking it in the 14.25 area. It certainly did, closing up $1.76. Here's a stock that's in the biotech arena. They have a test for testing embryonic fluid for Down syndrome. They take the fluid from the mother rather than the baby. We think the stock, could move significantly higher. If you look at where it was, mid-January, it was a $26 stock. We're long from the 13.25 zone. We've got to stop down below the markets at 12.25. I think we're going to now bring our stop up to a break even at 13.25. Now that it's broken the downtrend line, it should continue to build on itself. Looking at the stochastics, it's not overbought at all. It's just turning on the buy signals. I think the stock is moving significantly higher. Again, if you're a member of ours, you'll know exactly our exit price on the stock. And again, if you're not making money in this environment, I hate to keep on saying this every single time, but I will continue to say it. Go to our website, ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com. Take advantage of our 3-day trial that we have offered on the front page. Click on it. Go ahead. Sign up for it. No credit cards. No nothing. There is no obligation. Put in your information. You get the 3-day free trial. If you like what we have, you want to see us live on our webcast and become educated, that's it. Then you will be prompted after your trial is done. You'll be prompted for payment. $10.99 per month. That's right. Right now you're getting this free. You're getting just a small glimpse of what we do. But if you want to start catching these SQNM trades, and you want to catch the USO long that we made 2 points on, you want to catch the GLD short that we made 5 points on, you want to catch a $1 point that we made, $1 profit on MO Ultra Group, and you want to catch the $1 plus gain we have now on Sequenom, then you need to become a member of ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com. Seriously. I hate to say it, but $10.99 or $120 for the year or $11 a month, all it takes is one trade. If you're watching this here and you've done anything that we've talked about, you've made more than $120 from our ideas. Just for example, this morning, SQNM, look at the stocks around $1 since we talked about it. All day you had a chance to get in from when we talked about the stock gradually moved higher. All you needed to do is invest, 500 shares and take 50 cents out of it. You made $250. Don't be shy. Go to our site. Take advantage of the 3-day free trial. I'm convinced the minute you take that free trial, you get on our live webcast in the morning from 8:20 to noon Central Standard Time, you're going to say, what the heck have I been doing? These guys are great. This guy knows what he's talking about. Look at the calls I've been making. You don't have to believe me. Just look at what I've been telling you. And if it doesn't make sense to you, then it doesn't make sense to you. But I'm telling you, the minute you sign up and you see what we do here on our live webcast and the day trading and the education instructional you're going to be getting, you're going to absolutely love it. Our members love it. Our members are making money. We hope you're making money doing it on your own. But if you're not, go to our site. ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com is the place to get yourself righted, to right your ship, to become educated. We hope to see you as a member in the immediate future. Have yourselves a great evening, and be careful in this treacherous environment.